Hey, welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters. Where? Junction City, Oregon. Who am I? Gary Christians. Been here since 1981. Helping making memories and having some fun. Today, we've got a Jayco 264 bunkhouse. I want to show it to you. I can't believe it's here. We still have a great inventory. This has been a super popular floor plan. In the very rear of the coach, you've got your bathroom shower area. Your sink is just forward of that. You've got a big double door refrigerator done by Norcold. Microwaves in front of that. Your hood with your fan and your light. 3-burner stove. Nice oven below. Storage galore. Got 2 drawers, double sink. Nice little work area. Then if we move forward of that, we've got a couch that folds out into a jackknife bed. Very easy to make up and down. You've got 2 double bunks with a little grab handle up above to assist getting in the upper bunk. Moving forward, we have a TV, DVD player, the controls for your heat and air conditioning, a dinette that folds down into a bed, storage up above. Then you have the entry door, and we're going to move into the bedroom up front with a queen-sized bed that does raise up for storage as well as pass-through across the front. Nightstands on both sides with electrical outlets, and then up above that you've got your closets on both sides with a nice storage area. It's not enclosed, so you can actually put more in there. And if you go to Walmart and get the little folding collapsible carry-ons for shopping, those fit perfectly up there. That's what we use on our Jayco at home. On the exterior, it's got a nice electric awning, and as I mentioned, pass-through storage and storage also in the rear of the coach. Hey, I really appreciate you taking a few minutes out of your day to take a look at this Jayco travel trailer. It's like a new condition. Got any questions? Well, of course you'd call me. Call Gary at 541-554-9581. Shoot me an email or a text, whatever you want. Thank you.